Look at that buck. Look at that buck, guys. Big, heavy 5-point. Really heavy. Hopefully it's in the shot. Hopefully I can find the other side. That is definitely one I want to match up for sure. Look at that thing. I gotta match it up. Look at that burr. Hopefully that focuses. I have to match this buck up. It's a new goal. It's a new goal this year. I can't stop looking for it. I can't stop looking for the other side. This thing could be anywhere, the other side to this. It could be anywhere. Look at that. Future 200-inch deer. I'm gonna shoot this buck next year, hopefully.